Morning, everybody. It's 8:52, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 1546. Asia is a little bit lower. Europe is a little bit higher. At 8:15 this morning, the futures were Dow up 220, which is about where it is now. The NASDAQ up 125, which is also about where we are now. And the S&P up 37, again, right around where we are right now. There was a host of earnings reports overnight. Um, I'll just give you a flavor of them. On the upside with beats, we have Gap Stores, Foot Locker, Ross, and JD.com. On the downside with misses, we have Williams Sonoma, Dolby Labs, and Farfetch. And frankly, I look at Farfetch and I think that describes their possibility of becoming a profitable enterprise. At 10 o'clock this morning, we have home sales and leading economic indicators. Okay, give you a little bit more on those earnings. Ross Stores is trading 113.65, up 15.72 or 16%. This jibes pretty well with the TJX move on their earnings the other day. Foot Locker 37.45, up 4.35 or about 13%. Um, they're evidently not hurt as badly as people expected on the Nike going direct to customer. And last but not least, everybody's perennial loser, Gap Stores moving to the upside, 13.86 up $1.15 or 9%. Williams Sonoma 100. This is on the miss side. Williams Sonoma 121 down 9.5, 7.3. Farfetch that I just mentioned is down a half a dollar at 8.64, and Dolby. 65.74 down 4 or just under 4%. Chart on the screen is the dollar, and for everybody talking about how it's collapsing, frankly, it got right into support and is actually up on the week. It's not up much, but when you look at the range and you see 107 to 105 and we're 106.38, we're slightly above halfway. As far as futures go, let's take a look. Grains pretty much unchanged to slightly higher. Oil back to $80, right into that support. Down $1.40. Heating oil down a nickel. Gas down 3 cents, and nat gas down 18 and a half. Was a little bit lower, but not much. And in case you can't relate to this, price wise, because we were trading around $6 in this, they rolled the contract forward to January, which kind of makes sense because that will be the peak cold across the country. Gold unchanged, silver basically up a tiny bit, copper down a penny and a half. Let's see what else we got. Coffee, a little bit of a bounce. Cotton back to the downside. As I said, the futures are up about there. And even though it's down on the day today, the dollar is still up on the week, and bonds are basically unchanged. What isn't unchanged is the 210 spread, now 70. I mean, these are massive numbers for this. I don't understand why they keep on talking about a possible recession. Um, as I've seen it, we're there. we're not likely to get better. And the people who are hurt the most are the people who can least afford it. All right, everyone. I'll be back if there's anything to talk about. And if not,